friend there.
I send some and you delete it.
Can't never you forget the text.
But when I prepared dinner for you, that me a child.
Don't put down.
And by the time I come back, I do not want to stay in the room.
You know me.
You hear me say? I do not want to stay.
That we belong to. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, AC gang? It's your boy Capo here, and I'm back with another prank. And this time, I'll be sending Abby the wrong text message. You know what that mean? I'm gonna send her a text message, make it seem like say I'm cheating on her. So people, since last night, me and her been on some, yeah, we have been talking from last night. But today's her friend's birthday. Happy birthday, Crystal, again. So today a friend came to her house and she did her makeup and everything. And me now went downtown, deliver a few tripods. So if you want your tripods, link up on Instagram, you know, at Abbi_Capo. Get the tripod them. And so people, me and I not talk from this morning. The reason why this is gonna be an epic prank is because I'm gonna send Abby a text and I'll be like, it was nice seeing you today and I hope we see each other again soon. Or something something like that. So I make it look like say me and a girl downtown this morning and talk and everything. I'm gonna see how they go react. So she gonna believe me I cheat on her, right? Yeah, I'm gonna see how she gonna react to that. So guys, right now she in the kitchen. She must run there cut up some for cook some food, fried chicken or something like that. She having her earpods in her ears. When I can't hear, but she actually I sing loud like right now. She dey far you know, but I still can't hear her. But yes people, spam the comment section with Team Capo and make sure you guys subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, follow us on Instagram down below, subscribe to Abby's Madness, subscribe to Capo's TV, that's my channel, and also subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Now go send the text right now. Hey, it was nice seeing you. That sound good? It was nice seeing you today. Yo, must you know, yo, man, I like today. We enjoy your company today, you know. Somebody like something. Hope we link up again soon. Shit. Oh, they were like, oh, we link up again soon. 1-on-1. Soon one. Come on. I guess come for yourself. 1-on-1. Yeah, send it now. And then, yeah, put on the camera and see what she run. She had this music, so most likely it are going on her earpods. And then she might check her phone same time. I don't know where I'll check it after, but the text I go send right now. So people, pray for me, isn't it? Pray for me. Team Capo in the comment section, because this is not going to normal people. Team Capo in the comment section. When I hear her she sing, people, Team Capo in the comment section. Oh, she not come yet. Check it, the text really got your own. People, too sticky going through now, too sticky. People should come online, and Bumbo Cla, yo, share the text now. You come off a line. The fuck you talk about? Yo guys, we're gonna do the text. Hold on. Take a screenshot first. Delete it. Delete. Yo, trouble now.
A few moments later.
Delete it,
What do you mean?
why you say me that?
I missed it, man. I never know.
Oh, so baby, we link up did nice, vibe did nice. Well, tick up.
I am good from. A mistake, aren't you?
Yeah, I never be forget it. That's why you vexed me today.
I'm can't to the bag I'm talking now, you know. What takes your phone?
So you deliver the tripod then?
Yeah, me deliver
I meet somebody.
Me do me for you at home. Me go downtown and do me for you.
So who you saying?
Yo, don't take my phone, please. Yo, I don't think I can't take it there. Tell the doctor, give me my phone. Give my phone, Abbi. My phone, I'm here. Don't touch my phone. Can't take anything, man. Don't take my phone again.
Alright.
Do not touch my phone. You might
Alright.
do not touch my phone. You want to talk, you talk. Don't touch my phone.
Alright.
You not take up the things and read the things. You get me?
So why you saying that?
I mean,
When I think we get for really good at Krista, I said I go reply to you know. Because she text and said, she sent me a video so she like the chain. I'm tell her someone want to show where you buy, someone watch the video and show me where she buy. And show me where you buy.
a mistake.
Yeah, I mistake. That means I never did my one, self I one.
I never mean to send it.
What?
Just forget about that, Abbi. You don't need the text.
What did you forget to text?
It's the text.
I say I meet somebody today, my glimpse to text.
Wait,
But I
say,
think we get for
but tell the
reading
text,
good.
mistake.
After I reply to the text, by the time I'm ready for read it over, you delete it.
Just forget about that, man.
So obviously I never me forget it. So I would forget it. And we meet today. When you're supposed to depend on business, because I probably know
I'm going to tell you
today.
something do the body
So that's why you vex with me today.
You vex me from last time.
It doesn't matter, you're still vex.
I never vex you.
So when it's an opportunity to do what you want.
No, I'm going to tell you. You forgot to meet somebody today.
But I forgot to, maybe I have other plans, because I always up and down on the road.
That's the video.
Alright, so why you send that text to you? Who forget the text?
I don't want to talk about that right now. That's not good.
Me want to talk about it.
What are you doing this?
I send some and you delete it.
Can't never you forget the text.
We want to prepare dinner for you, that me a child.
Don't do that.
We want
Do
to
not.
prepare dinner for you.
Don't do that.
So who
Some
you
headshine
meet
don't
today?
come
Who you
do
meet
that
today? You me a prepare dinner for, so who you meet today?
They don't want to food for you, my girl. Because from where you move last night.
Yeah, you got dead phone because no, I'm not going to put me on the game.
Porridge in the fridge, me go to the porridge you come on.
Sour porridge, batty boy, sour
It's
porridge.
porridge sour, so I can't porridge change sour. So some other bad I'm not food thing. I don't food from you need that, you know.
Let me see your
Because your
phone.
money from last
Alright,
night.
let me see your phone, let me see your phone.
What do you mean?
You fuck up my finger last night, of course me I go vex with you. Because every time I say stop, you
You're
stop.
talking after me. Stop talking.
Yeah, go on there.
Yeah, show.
Go
Stop
on
short.
there.
Don't
Me not
show.
stop short. Who you meet today? Me not stop short.
The shouting after me is my girl.
Yeah, who you meet today?
Nobody. Tell you it's a mistake.
Yeah, mistake. I mean, the only mistake is I was supposed to get the text. So who did forget it? Who you meet today?
Abbi, let's not talk about that. If you're a miracle, sometimes you just follow me and love certain argument. Love certain argument. They love certain argument in a part of the day, you know.
You're not going to send a certain text. I expect them to calm down. My friend, I'm going to sit comfortable while you're in my bed. Who you meet today? Who you text? Who was the text
Did
for?
you see the
Who you met
text?
today?
What text said?
Some about when they link up the vibes is nice today. What and they call a person tick.
Around that, no, nothing like for me.
No, that's so many texts. Why you delete it then? Why you delete it?
Abbi, I have to like for me.
Why you delete it?
I just when I subscribe to my girl subscribe when I go pay.
Oh, so you link up with girl subscriber. Oh, you link up with girl subscriber. When a boy is supposed to deliver today.
We give you
The boy will come from Bull Bay is supposed to deliver today. So which girl subscriber?
The other girl.
Which other girl? Nobody else is supposed to meet today.
Somebody want other tripod.
Oh, so then just text her first of all you're not a service. So all them are contact.
What? Oh, I mean, oh.
You don't have no service.
Regular
So all them
call.
So all them are get your number. When them call upon.
The flyer have the number. The flyer have
Yeah,
my
they
number.
bring the business one. The
flyer
flyer
have
they
my
for the
number.
business. The flyer the business number.
I don't know how you discuss it. Alright, I'm sorry. Just make it just for today, no?
Sorry, my bumper clot. Why you send the text who you meet up today? You think I'm so sorry go?
I mean,
You vex with me for money. I must say that's why you vex with me.
it's talking.
So true, normally when I'm vex sometimes you want to try and make it up. But you have plans, that's why you never bother to make it up. You have plans.
No, not. Don't stop for the back of me.
You're not going to in my room and do all of them fuckery, yeah?
I'm not doing it.
What's more or less prepare fucking food for you?
I'm breathe, because I can't talk.
No, you need to go on home, that's what you need to do.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, go on. Because that's what you want to go meet up back with who you meet up today.
That's
Why you laugh? I like to talk to people and don't laugh at me. Why you laugh?
Put on your hand. If you hand them,
Why you laugh?
put on your hand.
Why you laugh?
Alright. How do you make it from?
Look, I'm tell Crystal say you're cross, isn't it?
Come in.
Okay, why you laugh? Which girl
Me not laugh
is
at you.
Stop fuck yourself and make your
I'm
point.
not happy for you.
Let her for me, let her for me. Why, who you meet today?
Abbi, I'm not ready to talk about that.
Me not clear, really. Because
Yeah,
me
wow,
can't
yeah.
get on and start prepare food for full year.
But there's a hungry.
And you got me. I said hungry. All of a sudden you're not hungry. You were ever fucking hungry. All of a
You
sudden
can't just come out of the room,
hungry.
please, because obviously you get physical now. I can't take them style from you. I can't just jump for the bed and come here. I can't pass you, because I'm not depend on the day now.
I don't want to talk about this now. No.
Me, you want to talk about it later.
No. No, me want to talk about
We need
it.
to get
No, me
mine
want to
together.
talk
I'm stressed
about
out right
it.
now.
Oh, so you think about your life for say no?
Like,
You think about your life for say no?
I'm stressed out. Stop it now.
Which girl you meet today?
I'm stressed out. Just give me a break now, man. Boy, man. Yeah, I can't talk everything. Where am I do? Talk, where am I do? I can't take any foolishness, you know. Because you want me to talk and you have to shout in my ears every minute. If you want me to talk, you may talk about something. Still, you have to talk about it, you know. As two big people live on my back. Where are they for?
I'm not sit down.
You know what I talk about them then. You're going to easy back
I'm
then.
stop for yourself. I'm serious now. I don't have time for you. None time.
What do you mean? What that's supposed to mean?
Who you meet today?
I tell you already. Like you need the tripod. That's it.
I know that you say you the tripod, then I meet up with a female subscriber. So I have to study a story and change now.
Alright. Abbi, you can't manage. We want to stay so. But today it's sorry, still about them words.
Sorry for what? What are you sorry for?
I can't bother. No, sorry.
Sorry for what?
What do you think?
You send a text, and then by the time I get for actually with the text, but I know I see something when I'm not supposed to see.
So what do you think?
So why you delete
What look
it?
like it's it?
Why you delete
When I
it?
look like
Why
it's
you
it?
delete it?
Kind of a seat. What look like it's it? You look like a plating
So you have a girlfriend also.
No, I'm a girlfriend, B.
So who you meet today?
Yeah, I'm a
Which
girlfriend.
stickers you meet today? I do a blood clot like you.
Jaja.
Because probably you said the girl tick up and nice.
But you tick up
and you
and
like her vibes. And you meet her today, pussy. Me not even talk good today, good. Because you don't go deliver track from mine. I ask her for look at you, I'm still vexed with her. And then you left, and you deliver, and then this time come. Yeah, you give me tea, you give me tea. So who you meet today? Since whoever you meet up today, the vibes did right, and the person tick
I'm not
up.
cussing and nigga now, it's like, oh yeah, babe now. Let me try to show you. But they don't want to just chill, my girl.
What you trying to say?
What do you mean, I try to say? Sometimes just relax, man. Sometimes you just move. You do too much more time, like.
I'm supposed to, because I don't want to eat that boy waste my time.
You don't understand me, I try to say.
No, I don't understand.
More time, man just want somebody to just chill with you. If I naga and ask me some question, where
Yeah, if you never do fuck him out of there, so, and I ask you the question, then you send something, you up and delete it, I ask you about it, I try to have a fucking conversation, and that's why I'm not going to work out. Can I know if I have a fucking conversation?
No, like talk to people like you, because if I use them word, I'm not too like. That's what I mean.
I don't give a fuck.
You see me, I show you?
I don't give a fuck. And if I continue, if I feel like say you want to stay with me, I will continue to talk so. When you piss me
just
off,
sit down and go talk
I not sit down. I not sit down. I not sit down.
I'm not talking to you then. Never bother girl. Never bother girl, what problem?
Oh yeah, bother woman.
Never bother girl.
Okay. I don't really want to say
You don't
long
think so?
time.
You don't think so? Get me tell you?
I don't really want to say long time, excuse.
I know my girl. Abbi, give me a second. Oh, yeah.
Don't really
Calm
want
down.
to say long
Calm
time.
down. Calm down yourself.
I'm sure say something like that, I'm seeing other things. So yeah, say yes, enjoy yourself with that woman. Stop fucking yourself,
Come on.
stop fucking
Sit down, sit down. Alright, tell them what I want to do. Me talk to them now.
You know what I talk to you? Like one fuck home. Simple as that.
Then I like doing them, you know.
Like one home.
Just give me a second. Abbi, let me know.
Stop ramping me, serious.
Just give me a second, man.
Stop ramping me.
So you know what I talk about this real love. You go talk about it now. Just just relax and talk about it then, no?
Leg off from me.
Since you want, nobody get physical.
Leg off from me.
Come here, now.
Stop fucking
Hey.
I do not want you to stay here.
Let go here.
I do not want you to stay
Let go
here.
here. Be that happy, you know.
See me, I go buy food for me, a latte and shop. And by the time I come back, I do not want to stay in my room.
Be that happy.
You hear what I'm saying? I do not want to stay in my room while I want home.
Let go here, let go here.
You deaf?
Let go here.
Alright, pussy. No phone.
Yes, sir. Listen to now. That's a problem, my friend. You don't understand for you don't know communicate. You have a communication problem.
Bombo! Batty boy.
Yo, people. Wanna see what a while ago? I run some risk, Jano Star. People, yo, can't believe it. Yo, I run some risk with my life there. Jaja, I be a chip. I be on my ear back in the yard. I think I could even, I put us go on, because I tell them head back. It's at the same time. I can't take people all. So I'm watching me here, people. Yo, spam the comment section. Team Capo, people. Team Capo in the comment section. I be a chip ratted. I tell them, I vex from last night, so I know say you're the prank. I be happy working on people. So I go in the kitchen now and see what she really depend. Cause I can't make she really thinks that this really mad. Cause I know she come back around with some. She's that girl that go around so can think about this hard now, you know. And she come back around now. Go down my door lock still. But I go in there go first her before her head chip even worse, you see me? Cause I can't tell them more the back of bang around. So he makes no forward with me. So guys, see I actually still she have been a rip on her ears and tell her say a prank, you know, cause I can't take the stress of people.
Don't do not fucking touch me.
Hey,
put on my earphone, do not touch me. Put on my earphone.
Man, don't flower, that's the same thing now. She have been a earphone now, she can't hear shit. I'm gonna show the camera now, I see her fucking face, I look now.
Stop fucking.
Hi. I'll be a prank, you know. But at least I have makeup. I never meet a girl at all. Prank me and prank you, so nobody cry. I prank me and prank you, Abby. Say team Capo. No, Abby, say team Capo now. Come, we can't leave take up knife. We take up knife for oh chicken and cook. I can't make take up knife for her. Abby. Even afraid of see me. Yo, she not take this light, you know. Abby a prank.
Yeah.
So you want me, you know, you can't bluff the team Capo. The team Capo now.
Blood clot. You know what I do. Everything on the boss say a prank.
Abby a prank.
Yeah.
Wait till you have camera on right now.
Yeah.
I'm walking like, I'm going to do my outro now, like just bumbo. Hey.
Never stop fucking. I'm serious.
Hey. People come here, I'm outro there for. Yeah, for in the comment section. Boy, I'm for meet up to Abby no come. I'm not the vex really now, but they don't know what I think of. So I make sure I say, I apologize to her again and try to friend her up and find. When I'm going to make up to her, and I know she's that girl where you don't know. She not take them thing and like but not cheating thing, you know, people. She don't rap them way there, see me. So I'm going to say, anybody watch a video, I hope so they enjoy it, because I enjoyed it. Heart a bit fast, I enjoy it, people, I enjoy it. So just remember we sell tripod, mini tripod, 15 bills for the tripod. If you want to send to an address on the yard, you pay extra 5 bills, so 2 grand that we send anyone a day. Yeah man. So just link up on Instagram and make you know, and just tell you what you want. So you can place on the order. You see me? Yeah, that's what I talk about now. So you don't know your boy Capo is out!